At the end of the video, you'll find a valuable gift. It's a quality business plan template that you can download and easily modify to prepare a professional business plan for your business. If you're new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Starting a PC repair business can be a lucrative venture in today's technology-driven world, where individuals and businesses rely heavily on their computers for daily operations. However, like any other business, it requires careful planning, strategy, and execution to succeed. Here are the top 10 tips to help you kickstart your PC repair business on the right foot. 1. Acquire technical skills. Ensure you possess strong technical skills in diagnosing and repairing various computer issues. Stay updated with the latest hardware and software advancements to serve your customers better. 2. Obtain certifications. Consider getting certified by reputable organizations such as CompTIA or Microsoft. Certifications not only enhance your credibility, but also demonstrate your expertise to potential clients. 3. Create a business plan. Develop a comprehensive business plan outlining your services, target market, pricing strategies, marketing tactics, and financial projections. A well-thought-out plan will guide you through the initial stages of your business. 4. Set up a professional workspace. Establish a dedicated workspace equipped with essential tools and equipment for repairing computers. Ensure it is organized, clean, and conducive to efficient workflow. 5. Invest in quality tools. Invest in high-quality tools and software required for diagnosing and repairing computers. This includes screwdrivers, multimeters, diagnostic software, and antivirus programs. 6. Offer exceptional customer service. Provide excellent customer service by being responsive, courteous, and transparent. Build strong relationships with your clients to foster loyalty and generate positive word-of-mouth referrals. 7. Develop a strong online presence. Create a professional website showcasing your services, pricing, and contact information. Utilize social media platforms and online directories to increase your visibility and attract potential customers. 8. Establish partnerships. Forge partnerships with local businesses, schools, and organizations that may require your services. Networking can help you tap into new markets and generate valuable leads. 9. Stay updated with industry trends. Stay abreast of industry trends, emerging technologies, and security threats. Continuously educate yourself through workshops, seminars, and online courses to maintain your competitive edge. 10. Focus on marketing and advertising. Implement a targeted marketing strategy to reach your potential customers effectively. Utilize both online and offline channels such as social media, PPC advertising, local publications, and community events. Conclusion. Starting a PC repair business requires more than just technical expertise. It demands careful planning, dedication, and a customer-centric approach. By following these top 10 tips, you can lay a solid foundation for your business and position yourself for long-term success in the competitive tech industry. Remember to continuously adapt to changing market dynamics, and customer needs to thrive in this ever-evolving landscape. Thank you for watching. As we conclude this video, it's time you get your free business plan template. Go to the description below this video to get it now. It is completely free, no strings attached.